Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP inventory movement module. We're going to cover in this tutorial how to move inventory between same stores or different stores. So let's just pull up the movement module and let's choose where we're moving the items from. So let's choose Calgary and I'm going to select an item. And you can see here this item is located in two locations in the Calgary location. So let's select, we're going to move from this location. There's 10 currently. And again, we could move it to another location in Calgary, or we could move it to another store. So let's choose Toronto. I'm going to move it to this location, and I'm going to move 2 out of the 10. And once everything looks good, I'm just going to click on Move Inventory, click OK, and now the movement has been made. And you can see now this has actually become 8.